How to clear storage on Viber app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and for today's video I'll be showing you how can you clear storage on Viber app, or how can you free up space. So if you want to do it, so you have to go and log into your Viber account. So before that, make sure that your application is completely updated or to the latest version. Once you're on this page, what you want to do is click on the more button from the bottom right hand side corner. Then you want to go to settings. As you go to settings, here you want to go to storage and make sure to clear cache files. So go ahead and tap on that option indicating where it says the clear cache button. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you do it, so it's gonna free up about a space. However, if this is not working out, if you need more solution in order to clear your space, then you could go ahead and delete the chat that is no longer needed or that's no longer wanted. So let's say I do not want the chat for this particular group, so I'm gonna go ahead and long press on it, and then I'm gonna go and click on delete chat. I'll click on leave and delete, and then you'll have successfully deleted the chat. Now this is another way to do it. So as well, do the same thing with the rest of the other chat that's no longer needed, or else you could also go ahead and then clear the app's cache. So for that, you want to go ahead and long press the Viber application, go to app info section. Here you want to go to storage, make sure to click on clear cache, and make sure to update your application to the latest version as well. That's gonna help you out to clear your storage on the Viber app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.